You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much.
We are going to talk about the quality of education in public schools.
Now, let's hear what people have to say.
Yes. What do you think about the quality of education in public schools?
I think it's not good enough. It can be better. Okay? I think they can this students to study more in learning.
Has the education changed in the last 5 years?
Yes, because
How?
in the past students used to study more. Now, since they have a lot of technology, they get distracted. Okay, and they don't concentrate better. They don't study more. In the past, they used to study. Now, they don't study as much as they did in the past.
Do you think that the situation could have been prevented?
Yes.
How?
By the use of quality teachers, consistent more students, better qualified teachers in schools to help students.
What solution would you recommend to solve the
I think we need to have more certified teachers in order to change the ways that we teach.
Thank you so much.
So, qualities about education's quality.
Okay, I think the quality of education has improved for the last 10 or 15 years. There are there are better trained teachers now, and I think also students have more access to new technology, which makes it, makes it better.
Okay. Has education in public school changed in the last years?
Yes, it has. Now teachers as I told you, teachers have more training now, receive more training, and they also use technology in class, I guess, or send their students over to internet cafes.
Maybe they can speak to the parents, with the parents, and then they can say that reading is good for the children, that they can, I think there should be reading progress, so little by little the child can start like, I don't know, maybe the child can like what he or she is reading.
What solution could you suggest to solve the problem?
Of this reading? Well, I'm saying maybe they can have this, the reading programs, or they could have, in classes there should be more time to read for the children.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
About the quality of education in public schools.
Well, I think that here in Peru we need more technological events for the public schools.
The next question. Has the education changed in the last years?
Well, I think yes, because in the past was different. There were less technology, and now we are increasing the technology, but we need more also for increase the knowledge of the students.
The third question. Do you think mediocre education would have prevented?
It is related to the teachers because we have to increase the capacity of teachers.
Final question. What improvement or solution would you suggest to solve the problem?
Well, we can't. The solution would be that teachers need to be in some ways more strict, and also for the student to be interested in the class and not only to the technology that is used in class also.
Thank you for your attention.
Okay.